Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I'm your friend Ashwin. Today we're gonna discuss about multiverse, infinite realities or scientific fantasy in this video. Welcome, reality explorers. Today we are venturing into one of the most mind-bending concepts in modern physics, the multiverse. Imagine our entire universe with its billions of galaxies, stars, and planets being just one bubble in an infinite cosmic form of universes. It sounds like science fiction, but serious physicists are considering the possibility that we live in a multiverse. From quantum mechanics to cosmology, various scientific theories hint at the existence of multiple universes. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey that challenges our very notion of reality. Not all multiverse theories are created equal. Cosmologist Max Tegmark categorizes them into four levels. Level 1 is the simplest. If space is infinite, then everything must repeat infinitely far away. Level 2 involves bubble universes spawned by eternal cosmic inflation. Level 3 comes from many worlds' interpretation of quantum mechanics, where every quantum event splits reality into multiple branches. And level 4, the most abstract, suggests that any mathematically possible universe must exist. It's like a cosmic Russian nesting doll, with each level encompassing more possibilities than the last. Quantum mechanics, the theory of a very small, gives us one of the most famous multiverse ideas, the many worlds interpretation. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in superposition of states until measured. Schrödinger's famous cat thought experiment illustrates that a cat in a box is both alive and dead until we look. But what if, instead of collapsing into one state, reality splits into multiple branches for each possible outcome? This is Hugh Everett many worlds interpretation. It suggests that every quantum event creates new universes. It's like the universe is constantly playing out every possible scenario, creating an infinity of parallel realities. Another path to the multiverse comes from cosmology. The theory of cosmic inflation suggests that the early universe underwent a period of rapid expansion. Some models propose that this inflation is eternal, constantly spawning new bubble universes. Each bubble could have different physical laws and constants. Imagine universes where gravity is much stronger and where atoms can't form. This idea helps explain why our universe seems so finely tuned for life. We simply find ourselves in a bubble where the conditions are right. It's like a cosmic lottery where we only notice we have won because we wouldn't exist to notice otherwise. String theory, a candidate for theory of everything, provides another avenue to the multiverse. It suggests that the fundamental constants of the universe are tiny vibrating strings, but for the math to work, it requires extra dimensions and predicts an enormous number of possible vacuum states, about 10 to the power 500. Each of these would correspond to the universe with different properties. It's like having a vast landscape of possible universes, with ours being just one valley in the cosmic terrain. This string theory is so vast that it makes the idea of multiverse almost inevitable. Our universe seems incredibly fine-tuned for life. If fundamental constants were slightly different, stars couldn't form or atoms wouldn't be stable. This fine-tuning problem has led some to invoke design, but the multiverse offers another explanation. The anthropic principle suggests that we shouldn't be surprised to find ourselves in a universe compatible with our existence. We couldn't exist in the others to wonder about it. In a vast multiverse, even extremely improbable conditions will occur somewhere. It's like being amazed that you won the lottery without realizing billions of tickets were sold. The multiverse isn't without its critics. The biggest challenge is the lack of direct observational evidence. How can we test something beyond our universe? Some argue that multiverse theories are unscientific because they are unfalsifiable. There are also philosophical objections. Does the multiverse simply push the question of existence onto one step back? And Occam's razors suggest we should prefer simple explanations. Is an infinite number of universes really the simplest solution? It's like trying to prove the existence of other dimensions to a two-dimensional being. The concept might be logically consistent, but direct evidence is elusive. And there you have it, the mind-bending world of multiverse theories. Whether or not the multiverse exists, these ideas are pushing the boundaries of physics and philosophy. They challenge us to think beyond our observable universe and question the nature of reality itself. The multiverse remains one of the biggest open questions in cosmology, sitting at the intersection of quantum mechanics, general relativity, and even philosophy. As we continue to explore these ideas, we are not just learning about potential other universes, we are gaining new perspectives on our own existence and place in the cosmos. So the next time you made a decision, just think, in another universe you might have chosen differently. The multiverse remains as the reality might be far stranger and more vast than we ever imagined. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring multiverse, infinite realities, a scientific fantasy in this video. The possibility of multiple universes challenges everything we know about reality. Stay curious and keep questioning the mysteries of the cosmos. See you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.